Okay, so today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a new toy I picked up. I apologize, there might be some wind noise. To get the right shot, the camera's got to be just outside the garage door, and I don't have a new mic yet. I've got one ordered, one of the lapel mics, so hopefully that will help things out, but it's not in yet. So anyway, what are we unboxing today? Let's have a look. Alright. This is the prize for today. It's the new Harbor Freight Bauer branded portable deep cut bandsaw kit. So we'll just remove the outer casing. I'm going to readjust the camera and we'll get to unboxing. Okay, so I'm going to cut my head off here for a little bit so that you can see what's in the box this time. Cut this off. Let's see what we've got. Nice case. Alright. It is all wrapped in plastic. It's the actual bandsaw unit. Got double bearings on each side for the guide. Not too bad. Also in the box, got a blade and the instruction manual tucked away down in there with, as usual for Harbor Freight, one nice thing, they always include a spare set of brushes. Never had to use them yet, but they're always in there. Latched in place. Get your tensioning lever. It's just a lock, unlock type. Blade. This is way back. Not sure I like that. Might move that forward. So I touched moving this plate forward a little bit. Didn't like it being back so far from the actual blade. Picked this up at the parking lot sale for $99. hopefully it was worth the purchase. Might be a little better than trying to cut through everything with 4-inch grinder and cutoff wheels. You go through a lot of cutoff wheels that way. Alright, so now the guide bar is up pretty much where they show it in the photos in the manual. What do you say we cut some metal? Alright, it's plugged in. Let's see if it works. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and run it in a little bit, let those brushes seat, since it's obviously new and they don't break them in at the factory. So I'm just going to seat the brushes a little bit and then we'll get to testing it on some metal. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, that was much nicer than the cut-off discs. This is the other side that was cut off by a cut-off disc. Let's see if we can get that in there and get that in focus. And this is the side we just cut off. There's none of this crap left on the edges like the other one. There's a little tag there. Nice and clean. That worked well. Quieter. Not as messy. Let's test it on some. Let's test it on some thicker material. All right. So this piece of scrap is about 1/4 inch. Alright, and this is, just to be clear, this is with the included blade. This is the blade that was included with the unit from Harbor Freight. Get to focus in. Not too bad. Made pretty quick and easy work with it. It's not hot like when you use a cutting disc. A lot less work than the cutting disc. Cutting another piece off for a later test of flux will work. Now I got a piece that's I don't know if you can see that in this lighting, but it's 3/8. Same thing. Make a couple of coupons out of it for a later weld test. So I'm learning how to use this here. Get the base plate right up against it. And I'm just getting the base plate firmly up against it here, and then rocking it in. That is so nice. So far, well worth the buy. Let's step it up again. This piece is 5/8. That works good, but let's try just going straight down through this time instead of what I've been doing, rocking it. Fan-friggin-tastic. This is the first one where I was cutting at an angle, and this is the one where I was cutting more straight down. A great investment. If you have the money, you know, it's $100 at the parking lot sale. So, yeah, it's like normally, I forget, like 130, 140, something like that. It's worth it. If you have the money, it's definitely worth it as far as I can see so far. We'll see how it holds up, but first impression is it's definitely worth it. It saves so much time and effort. It's not as loud, it's not as messy, there's no hot sparks flying everywhere. You're not chewing through cutting discs. I mean, trying to cut this with cutting discs, 5/8. I was dreading that task. I wanted to do it to be able to test the welder. Man, I was dreading doing it. So, for this one, guys, that's going to be it. Don't forget, if you like the videos, go ahead and, let's see, it's over here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And leave a comment if there's something else you'd like to see, something you want done differently, something I forgot to look at on this or said wrong. Leave a comment. I can take criticism. Thanks for watching.